Hi my dear friends, hope you're doing very well today. In this video I want to show you how my mom and myself made a organic garden for our home. I wanted to film the whole deal because it was so much fun to do that with her, and I wanted to show you guys and just encourage you that if you have a place where you can make your own garden, please do. It's worth it all the way. And well, what I'm gonna show you was something that happened 6 weeks ago. That was when mom and myself, with two of her girlfriends, we went to a special place to buy the baby's plant. And they just sell the baby plants for you to just put them in the dirt. To do this, you have to clean the space where you're gonna plant, where you're gonna have the garden. So you have to clean it completely, take out all of the weed, all of the grass, any plant that this dirt has, and you have to clean it completely. Once you have it clean, you just have to put the soil on top and have like a mixture in between both of the dirts. Now with that, the dirt is completely ready to plant these little baby plants. Okay, so these babies are kale, basil, this is romaine lettuce, this is called Lolo Rosa, this is kind of like a mint, onions and green onions over here. These ones are zucchini, collard greens, the red ones and the yellow ones, sweet basil. This is oregano, and this is another type of oregano. So we're gonna put all of these babies in the garden. My dad, my mom, and baby Ramon. After that, have to put sufficient amount of water, and you have to water them twice a day until they grow up. Try to water them not when it is sunny, but really late in the day or really early during the day. One important thing is that because this is an organic garden, we're not putting any type of chemicals to the garden, but you can have the help of the nutrients. So you can go to these stores for gardening and you can buy organic nutrients. All of them is just a mixture of sodium, potassium, magnesium, and all of these minerals that the plants need to grow. We have this beautiful garden, and today, guys, is my last day here in Costa Rica, and I want to make for you a beautiful, amazing, super delicious fresh salad. I just want to show you a little bit. In this line there were all of the lettuce. This road we have lots of arugula or kale. In this third one is the celery and the cilantro. Then we have the purple basil over here. This is collard greens. Different colors of collard greens. The garden is not as big as we thought it would be, but it's okay. We're gonna just take some leaves and make this salad. So Come and join me. Look at the romaine lettuce. This is so cute one. Wow, Mom, you have no idea how good this one. Try to cut the bigger first one, so you let the small one grow. So we're having here some basil, kale, and lots of different type of lettuce. So let's make a salad with this. Basically eat from farm to table. You can taste the freshness in these vegetables. Definitely. They are super crunchy. I love it. Super, super crunchy. So as you guys saw, this was the video on how to make an organic garden. To be completely honest, I am not the most expert person in this topic. As I told you, my mom, she was the one who had already the garden because she took a course in the university, and she was thrilled to, to grow their own garden and their own vegetables. And for myself, last year I had the experience that a really good friend of mine, he was having a really big garden, and I think that after that I fall in love of growing my own vegetables. So I'm thrilled to being able to learn this through my mom, and now that I can show you how easy and how cute it is. And just as a personal opinion, for me, this was a great experience to connect in a deeper level with the vegetables or with the food I'm eating. It's amazing to know that I took the babies, I planted them, I saw them grow, I make them grow, and now they are becoming part of my body. So it's an amazing experience. It's kind of like a spiritual experience, so I recommend it for every one of you. Nonetheless, it takes a lot of attention. You have to pay attention to the plants every single day. So it's very meaningful, but it's a little bit of work too. So consider that. But well, I'm gonna leave a link down below of all of the steps in a PDF file that you can just follow through in order to make an organic garden at your home. You can find it in my website, rameliving.com. Okay, so I hope to see you next week, and thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, bye.